centipedes if want to go out. Wow. Wow, look at this. The millipede. Yeah, hello everyone. Today we go to looking, insert, and open here. Here we look at this. The flower is so lovely. Yeah, it's so cute. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Okay, then we later we go to looking at now. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Yeah, we have go to a deer. Yeah, and now we wait to looking insert under this wood. Yeah, what do you have insert or not? Yeah, then we later we go to open it. Wow, I can't open it. Yeah, I want to open it. Oh my god. Yeah, I have opened it. Yeah, look at this. It have insert. Yeah, look at this. It have lava. Yeah, it's so small. Yeah, lava, but it's so small. Yeah, I want to open at this. What is have insect? Oh my god. Yeah, it don't have each other. Yeah, it's have lava. Yeah, we look to each other wood. Yeah, we look at this. I hope it is have insect and some insect. Yeah, everyone. Yeah, look at this. We see the lava. Yeah. Oh my god. Look at this. We see some insect. Yeah. It has some lava. Yeah, we will to cut it at now. Yeah. Yeah, we have to lava. Yeah, we dig it. We dig this. Wow, centipede. Wow, it's centipede. Yeah, look at this. It's a small centipede. Yeah, look, it's so small centipede. It's so small. Yeah, we look at this. Yeah, I hope it has some insect. Yeah, look at this. It has some lava. Yeah, lava. Yeah, it's have a lava. Yeah, look at this. Wow. I see. Yeah, look at this. Wow, look at this. Oh, centipede. Wow, a centipede is go into. Yeah. Yeah, it has some lava. Yeah, we will to look at this. Yeah. Yeah, it's after running. Yeah, we have running. Wow, look at this. Yeah, I see. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, it's centipede. You see centipede? Yeah, look at this centipede. I will to cut a centipede. Yeah, look at this centipede. Yeah, look, it is centipede. Yeah, centipede. Like this. Do you like this centipede? Yeah, it's do not touch it because it can't beat you. Yeah, I look this. I dig. Yeah, it's. Well, look at the some insect. It's lava. Yeah. I dig this. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, look at this. It small centipede. Yeah, it's a small. Yeah, it's small but it's long. Yeah, small and long centipede. Look at this. Yeah, it's so small. Beetle worm. The worm is so small. Yeah, I did it. I did. Yeah, I will dig at this. Yeah, look at this, it's so small. It's a larva, it's a worm, it's so small, but I don't to cut it because it's small. Yeah, it's so small. Look at the activities. Yeah, it's a small insect. Yeah, everyone, I want to find this. Do you it's have insect or not? Yeah, it have black art. Yeah, it have some insect. It have a black art. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, I will to look at this. I hope it have some insect in this. Yeah, it has termite. Yeah, termite. It's insect. Wow, look at this. Yeah, it's termite. Wow, termite. They look at the activities. My camera can't not to focus. Yeah, look at this. It's a termite. Wow, look at this termite. Wow, termite. Termite like this. Wow, look at this. Yeah, it's a termite. Yeah. Wow. At this hill, some insect. I want to look at this. I hope it have some insect like this. Yeah, we look each other. Yeah, look at this. I hope it have some insect. Yeah. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, some insect. I don't know its name. Yeah, I cut it. Yeah, look at this. Insect. Yeah, open this. I hope it has some insect at this. Wow, my God. Yeah, black art. Yeah, it's here black art is do not have some insect. Yeah, we got to look each other. Yeah, we look under the suit. I hope it has some insect. Yeah, under the suit. Here, I hope it has some insect. Yeah, I will to open it. Wow. Oh my God. Yeah, it's have some insect. Yeah, it have worm. Yeah, look at this. It's, yeah, do you know this? Yeah, it's an egg worm. Yeah, it's worm. Yeah, this egg worm. Yeah, like this. Wow, look at this. Black millipede. Yeah. Black millipede. Okay, look at the activities. Black millipede. Yeah, and now we walk in the banana natural. Yeah, into banana natural. Here is here the coconut tree. Sorry, coconut fruit. Yeah, we look at this. I have in the coconut fruit it have some insect. Wow, it's down here. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, some insects. Yeah. Hey, look at this. Wow, yeah, I see. Yeah, where's Millipede? Hey, look at this. It's oh, it's a worm. Yeah, look at this. And look at this is a worm. Yeah, I want to cut it. Yeah, it's so small. Yeah, and this one. It's so small. Yeah, and look at this. Here we look under the coconut tree. Yeah, look at this. Age like that. Yeah, wait a second. Okay, look at this. Wow, like at age. Yeah, oh my god. Okay, if we open at this. Oh my god, yeah, look at this. Yeah, it has some insect. It has yeah, look at this. Yeah, it's a worm. Yeah, beetle worm. You like this? Yeah, beetle worm. Yeah, I want to open at this. Maybe open it. It have black it's don't have anymore. Yeah, look this wood how it have some insect. Oh my god, can't open it. Yeah, I want to open this. Wow, it's done here. Yeah, look at this, it has some insect. Look this. Wow, look at this, it has some insect. Wow, I don't know its name. My camera can't not focus it. Yeah, it's here anymore. Yeah, everyone, I will to stop vlog it now. Yeah, we look have this insect. Yeah. Okay, thank you everyone for watching the video. Yeah. If you like this, you can subscribe my channel. Okay. Goodbye. See you in next video again. And goodbye and good luck. Happy New Year. Goodbye.